Welcome back, continuing the news. In this evening's Christmas edition of A Ray of Hope, Kayan Morgan traveled to Fairbanks in Mandeville, Manchester, and shares the story of two families who have been spreading the holiday spirit with their Christmas decorations for the last 2 decades.
It's the most wonderful time of the year, well, at least for these two families on Fairbanks Drive in Mandeville, Manchester, who take the time out every year to decorate for the holidays. No, it's a sight to behold in the daytime, but at night, it's a Christmas kaleidoscope. The lights come on at 6 p.m. and within minutes, there's a crowd. Cars line the streets, spectators are filled with glee. From the young and old, people from near and far celebrating a birthday or just the holiday spirit. They flock the Harrison and Fenton homes to capture Christmas memories. Marcel Fenton said her family started the tradition about 2 decades ago.
By October or so, the parents, the children says, when are you starting to put up? Make sure you put up this year. So they encourage us to do so.
And a few years later, across the street, the Harrisons moved in and joined the festivities.
I was coming out at the same time from New York, so I decided to bring some lights, and then that's the way it started.
And together, every year, on the 8th of December through to the 6th of January,
we speak to each other. So if 6 o'clock comes and my neighbor does not see my light, my neighbor calls, "What happened? You sleeping?" And come 10 p.m. in the night, same thing happens to make sure that we turn off. And then we watch and we says, okay, the last person has left. We can turn off now.
The elaborate display of lights, a backdrop for school trips, weddings, even live streaming.
We have churches that come and they sing, line up against the gate, and there's a choir and they sing the Christmas carols. Man, beautiful.
79-year-old Garth Fenton says though he's recovering from a stroke, he maintained the tradition. Setting up takes about 2 weeks.
And paying the bill is probably the least of the challenge. Not that we don't have no money, but I mean, we know what we want and work for it.
Their biggest reward, the smiles.
We are very happy because we make hundreds of people happy.
Whichever way from Montego Bay just to come here. Yeah, that's very nice.
We look forward to it each year. So we just went out and then our final stop is here for the night.
It really promotes the Christmas spirit. I like it so much.
I thought we were together with my Santa Claus.
I thought she would enjoy it, and as you can see, she is having a blast.
Santa is the second person that made Christmas so special. He always brings us presents and he's happy.
If we just come together and unite, we cut down all the crimes and violence and we'd be happy.
So, will Fairbanks Drive be this lit next Christmas?
Every January says, we're not so sure. But every September, we are back at it again.
I would love to be able to do it again and again and again.
Reporting from Fairbanks Drive in Mandeville, Manchester, with a ray of hope, I'm Kayan Morgan. Merry Christmas.
Ray of Hope, brought